Stark naked she was.
I reckon she must have fallen in. If somebody had pushed her, there'd be more marks in the body.
Еден млад човек ги нарушува животите на неговите работодавачи, криејќи го фактот дека знае повеќе за мртвата жена пронајдена во реката, отколку што признава.
I think she went to a bridge fully dressed and stood there breathing the warm night air. And then with her petticoat billowing around her, she'd float there for a moment and be gone.
Младиот Адам, недела, 23 часот и 25 минути.
You seeing anybody?
The only woman I see is the skipper's wife. And believe me, I wouldn't want to be next to her on a dark night. Do you think he knows? Of course he does. What was it like, Joe? Tell me, what was it like? I am not someone you want to marry.
We were right. We were fearless.
I shed my old skin and then merged into the folk.